Summer starts now mga millennials, here at Angeles Palace Hotel. Open for day tour for swimming pool, entrance para sa mga outsider is, guest na walang booking, pwede na mag-avail until April 30, 2026 lang po ito. For adults, 150 pesos, and for the kids, 100 pesos. Cottage is 500 pesos, good for 8 person. Then need po nila ng reservation para hindi maging crowded ang swimming pool. Since second time na namin here, so ibig sabihin lang talagang nagustuhan namin ang experience namin dito the first time. Kaya we decided to come back and see if ganun pa rin siya kaganda. And yes, mas better pa siya guys this time. Ito yung malaking swimming pool dito sa pangalawang building ng Angeles Palace Hotel. Tara guys, pakikita ko ang loob ng aming villa. Ito nga pala ang kanilang mga villas. Meron silang good for 4 people with free breakfast for only 5,400 pesos. At para naman sa 8 person with free breakfast as well for only 10,800 pesos. Pwede rin kayong mag-request ng extra foam since malaki naman ang aming room. Super laki ng living room ng aming villa guys, with 2 bedrooms. So what are you waiting for mga millennials? Mag-avail na kayo ng kanilang day tour habang naka-promo siya until April 30 lang guys. But of course, if I were you, mag-overnight na lang kayo guys. Mura lang naman ang kanilang mga room rates and mga villa. Super lakas ng kanilang wifi kaya hindi ka maboboring guys. Marami kang pwedeng gawin. Sa mga work from home, pwede kayo dito guys. Dito sa unang building ang mga rooms for couple. Like standard, 2,100 pesos. For deluxe room, 2,300. Prime deluxe, 2,600. Superior, 2,900. Balcony, 3,100. And studio type, 2,800. Babalik na ako guys sa aming villa para ma-feel ko na ang kanilang swimming pool. Very welcoming and relaxing ang vibe. Ang ganda talaga ng ambience. At ang room nila, very clean, spacious at ang bango pa rin. Plus points agad yung guys. Feeling ko nasa staycation heaven ulit kami. Kaya if you're looking for a place na pang-relax, pang-date, or kahit family staycation, I can definitely recommend this hotel. That's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food travel and staycation. See you on my next one. Love, love, love!